first 11 generation ASUS VivoBook. 11 generation i3 4GB 256 PCIE-G4 SSD, 4GB RAM, Wi-Fi Bluetooth and Windows 11. Windows 11. ASUS 11 generation. First have charger, cable, charger, laptop and booklet. And let's start. Book i3-11 generation, powerful performance, nano edge display, less than 20 mm. Let's check ports. USB port 2.0, aux, memory card, and this type C, charging port, HDMI port and USB port, exhaust fan. Let's start Windows 11. See Windows 11 graphics, smooth, lightly, better graphics. Setting menu, theme, apps, personalize, theme, dark theme mode. Yeah, wow, look gorgeous. Okay, and one more theme. Look at these graphics, awesome. And these properties. i3-11 generation, see 11 generation, ASUS X415EA model, 4GB RAM, 256 PCIE SSD, Windows 11. Okay, now it's budget laptop only 39,900 only, with 1 year warranty, complete. See camera, better than X. Look gorgeous. i3-11 generation.